Here's everything about the 2025 YouTube Recap, which gives you 12 interactive cards, most watched interests and genres, long-form videos, shorts, downloads, across mobile, desktop, or TV, all in one place. So don't miss out. Follow me to get it right now, even before it shows up automatically, because YouTube Recap is rolling out slowly and can take around 2 weeks. Until then, use this method to make it show up on your account just like it did for me. Under your account, you'll see the label, Your 2025 Recap is here. Just tap on it. If you don't see this, then open YouTube in a browser on any device, either iOS or Android. You'll see a banner like this in your browser. Tap on Open YouTube and start enjoying your YouTube 2025 Recap. If you also use YouTube Music, there's a separate Music Recap summarizing your listening, but the main YouTube Recap focuses on video viewing. If it's not working for you and shows cannot keep up with collecting the data for your recap, the reason is YouTube history. Ensure your watch history was enabled throughout the year and auto-delete, if you use it, hasn't erased older history. Because if your history is paused or trimmed, you might not get a proper recap. Then make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Search for YouTube in the App Store or Play Store on iPhone and Android. Then update the app if an update is available. If it's still not working, you can try on desktop. Visit youtube.com/recap while signed in to view your recap on desktop. The final solution is to wait one more day. You'll get it soon because the feature is still rolling out. If you have any questions, comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.